Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Clash of Clans. Whether you are trying to change your language, moved to a new region, or just want to play the game in your native tongue, here's how you can easily change your language setting in Clash of Clans. First of all, launch open the Clash of Clans game on your device and wait for the main village to load. Once it does, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner right above the shop menu. Now from the setting that pops up on the screen, click on the language option. You will see a multitude of language settings options available on the page. Scroll through the list and tap on the language you want to use. Now click on OK and this will restart the game in your chosen language. You can always get back to the same menu and change to a different language of your choice whenever needed. So that's how you can easily change your language setting on Clash of Clans. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.